To other news now, a family has been left in shambles after a bizarre series of events unfolded on Tuesday. It started at the Kingston Public Hospital, where a 24-year-old was taken for unusual behavior in a twist. Police say the man escaped the hospital after attacking a nurse. Now, the family learned Wednesday that the man stumbled upon a police operation, attacked a cop, and was killed. Romano Lyons has our story.
What started with a concerned mother taking her 24-year-old son to the Kingston Public Hospital ended with a relative identifying his body not even 24 hours later. This is Michael Edwards. His mother, Sashina Williams, spent almost 9 hours with him at the hospital, telling doctors she wanted them to give him something to sleep. She said she noted a change in his demeanor about a week ago after he attended a party. She left him at the facility sometime after 11 p.m. on Tuesday. She was stunned when she got a call from the hospital Wednesday morning that he escaped.
I was wondering, how did they let him just escape like that? Yeah, because it never looked that easy to come out of the hospital. Because I went downstairs and his porter after follow me go down to how it set. So it never easy. And the amount of security posts I pass going down, I don't know how him escaped it. I don't know.
She went from stunned to heartbroken when she learned that he was killed. Not from the hospital, but her sister.
She said she not sit down, and from she said sit down. And no, it's never nothing good. Yeah, but we keep strong, because I'm my daughter, as I said. Yeah, we have to just keep strong and firm. We know it's not going easy, so. But yeah, I just want to get to the bottom of this. I want to get justice for my son.
According to police reports, he attacked a nurse and the security personnel at the institution with a pair of scissors, then fled the property on foot. He reportedly made his way to West Street, where a major joint police military operation was in progress. It said he ran onto the compound of the All Saints Anglican Church, where he reportedly attacked a police constable who was stationed at the church with the pair of scissors. The constable fired at him and he fled. He was then transported back to KPH, where he was pronounced dead.
Why didn't anyone restrain him that he never escaped? Why? I'm just asking them why. They should have restrained him, just like when he went in. He went in with his hands and feet bound. They should have kept it that way.
His aunt said the family was unaware he was killed early Wednesday. They led a search party and then revisited the hospital.
I turned to them and said, why is it you have so much security or escape? Which side him go? They said the tape see him jump over the wall. I said, which side him cannot tell me.
Now, security at the hospital took her to the Denham Town police station, where officers broke the news.
I went down to the place to identify him. I said, I can't only can see the face, I can't see the body, because any comment is going to come and take their part on it. But I'm saying KPH has much doctors down there and security down there. Why couldn't they restrain him some way, somehow? He's not big in body, he's small, even though he may be strong, but he's small in body.
Romano Lyons, TVJ News.